Welcome to PRD English YouTube channel. This PRD YouTube channel offers students academic and non-academic courses. Academic courses are prepared following their syllabus of school and colleges, and non-academic lessons are prepared for the students of any level. They can practice for their own betterment. Every class will be conducted by me. This is Pranav. I am with you. I will take class on grammar and English speech or writing skill. Today I am going to take a class on sentence connectors. Let's enjoy the class. Have a good start. I have a request to you before having the class. When the slides will be one after one, you should give full attention, and if it is needed, you can take note down. If you take note down, it will be better for you. Sentence connectors. Sentence connectors is a great part of grammar. In daily conversation and writing, and to develop your creative writing or writing skills, these sentence connectors are most important. If you apply them, your sentence will be standard. Now, let us talk about the conjunctions I am going to teach you. First one is and. Second one is both and. Number 3, or. Number 4, either or. Number 5, neither nor. Number 6, not only but also. Number 6, not only but also. 7, as well as. 8, besides, moreover, furthermore. 9, in addition. 10, again. You know that these 10 connectors are mostly used in daily speaking, in daily conversation. Wherever you want to write a sentence, we must bring some conjunctions to it. These conjunctions you can use. Here you can see that some examples given using the conjunction and. I am reading out from the last sentence. You and your brother are meritorious. Raju got auto pass and he got admission next class. And he got admission to next class. Mira loves her boyfriend March and she gives him gifts. I went to Cox's Bazar and paid a visit to the sea beach. Arjun and Beam are brothers. You can see here I have used and conjunction to join the words and sentence. Next slide is about both and. Both and. Examples are: I visited both Sylhet and Cox's Bazar. You are both a singer and a player. He is both a teacher and a businessman. I have both an iPhone and laptop. He is a trainer and trainee. Next slide talks about or. This is very common and widely used conjunction in English. Examples are do or die. He or she did the work. I shall study my books or watch TV. I practice English. You practice English or solve this math problem. You must attend on time or you have to show your case. You can study the moral. Where there is a will, there is a way. Next slide talks about either or. This is another often used correlative conjunction. Examples are: either he or his brother has told the matter. Either you stay home or go away. I think you will stay at home and enjoy a good health. Health is wealth. This is for you. Next one is neither nor. Now I am going to read out the examples for your better understanding. Neither you nor I have seen the movie. He will neither read nor write. I'll neither love nor hate. Oh yes, there is a maxim for you. Better understand it. Better understanding what is loaded cannot be bloated. Okay. Then aeroplane goes. It talks about not only but also. This structure is important. We see it everywhere. He is not only a good student but also a good player. Not only I, but also he has done the work. Remember, ill got, ill spent. If you get something illegally, it will be lost automatically. Next slide is about as well as. Okay. Examples are given for you. Number 1, he as well as his friends pays no heed to my lecture. They as well as he have done it. There is an important thing to follow. In first example, subject singular he, then verb pays. In next example, they subject plural and verb have is plural. Next slide talks about no smoking. Yes, this is very important. A good man, an educated man cannot be a smoker. Okay, now I am going to tell you the structure. Besides, moreover, and furthermore. Examples are: he gave me a pen and some books. Besides, he gave me some money. So my message is not to smoke. Okay, thank you. Next slide talks about very important it is, I think. In addition, you helped me buy food and lodging. In addition, you gave me much good advice. So, I am happy with you. But remember that every happiness cannot be bought by money. So, money cannot buy happiness. Do not hunger after money. This is my request. Next one is, again, this is common conjunction and adverb which is used in our daily conversation. We use it often. COVID-19 hampered our studies and economies. Again, it decreases our industrial production. Oh my God, there is an principles. Love is divine. So be careful about loving. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video. I am Pranav with you. If you want to get more class, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends.